Hi everybody, I'm Max from Spotahome, Rome. Today I'll show you a whole apartment in the neighborhood of Eur. We are in Via del Tintoretto. This neighborhood is very nice, full of green and parks. And you can find anything you need to have a comfortable staying. It's full of markets, supermarkets, gyms and other kind of attractions. And this apartment is at the ground floor. And we are also very close to the Line B subway stations, Laurentina and Magliana. This is the entrance of the apartment. Let's check it out. Okay, here we are in the main part of the apartment. We have a living zone here and a kitchen corner here. The apartment is freshly renovated. It's very nice, all modern style, as you will see. Look at the kitchen, it's amazing. Look at the tables, very nice. Here we have the leather chairs. Here there is a refrigerator and a freezer. Very important, here we have a washing machine. Steel sink. Here we have a lot of space for storing your things. You have forks, spoons, anything you need to prepare your lunch. We have a gas stove and an electric oven. Oh, very nice. Here we have also a microwave oven that has also grill function here. Here we have a very large wardrobe. As you can see, there is a lot of space for storing your things, and there is also a chest of drawers inside. Okay, look at this beautiful LED TV. And this leather sofa. This is a sofa bed, a double sofa bed actually. And as you will see, together with the double bed, you can stay here up to 4 persons. Oh, here we have air conditioning. And this is good also for heating. And here we have a desk. There is a stereo here. Let's check the bedroom. This is a very nice bedroom. Look at this. We have a double bed and another wide wardrobe all around. So there is really a lot of space for storing your things. Oh, there is also a safe box here. So your things, precious things, will be secured. Okay, and this is the bathroom. Very nice. Also, this one is freshly renovated. Here we have the washing machine, other storage compartments. A large mirror, very nice sink here, the bida, the bowl. Here you can warm your towels and the shower here. It's a very nice apartment, very well organized. Well, from Max and from Spotahome, Rome, for today it's everything. Thank you for watching.